OBD2 to 8-pin diagnostic adapter for Polaris ATV slingshot. 8-pin plug adapter for use with certain Polaris vehicles ATV. With this tool, you can read and reset fault code on your Polaris vehicle's ATV diagnostic socket for CAN bus models. Please always check what connector you have. Typically used with diagnostic readers to convert the standard 16-pin plug into the required 8-pin plug. Can be used for reader/resetter fault codes with your wireless OBD2 Bluetooth scanner and diagnostic app. It supports RZR, Ranger, General, Sportsman, ACE, Slingshot, etc., as well as other models with 8-pin diagnostic connector. This will not work with models with a 4-pin diagnostic connector. Before buying, check your diagnostic connector, it must be 8-pin. Please use a Polaris compatible scanner.